which I mean, what we see in the market today, a lot of wealth managers and private bankers are trying to reach out to. But yes, it's a culturalization process which is yet to set in. Now, I think the biggest difficulty we've seen, at least on the legal side, when it comes to launching these products, is the limited ability you have to solicit these products. So, to step back, as a starting point in India, if you solicit, so if I walk around this room trying to sell a security, that clearly is a marketing activity. So if I'm from ING and I kind of try marketing this a stock here, there are two points which get immediately triggered. You've got an RBI issue because you've established a place of business in India without appropriate permissions. And second, you've got soliciting or selling securities without a valid prospectus filing. Now it's quite interesting because the SEBI has all the legal ability to regulate issuance of foreign securities in India, at least within the statute books, but that's not something they've exercised yet. However, our Companies Act, that's the Registrar of Companies, has gone ahead and it actually says any bodies corporate, which is a wider term, which includes companies outside India, if they want to solicit or they want to sell securities, they need to file their prospectus. But the catchword there is a public offering. So it goes into what is a public offering. See, there's no bright line test to what is public offering, but broadly speaking, if you're selling to more than 49 people, that's just a magic number, it's a deemed public offering. And if it's less than 49, it still could be. But it depends on the manner in which you distribute it. So if it is an unsolicited phone call, so if the client requests for the call to be made with the fund manager, that's not a solicited phone call. So there are some kind of procedures to be followed. So the way we typically structure these is you send an email out to the client saying, are you interested in these products? And by the way, if you're interested, dial us. Or you kind of have an establishment through the Indian office to say, we could have a conference call to arrange to make you understand these products. So, but having said that, that still keeps the basket limited. You still can't go out, call for a meet 100 investors or high net worth individuals I could ideally like to. So solicitation still remains a challenge. The other interesting thing is a lot of banks in India are kind of soliciting deposit schemes. So it's, at the end of the day, people are still not that familiar in India from an education and cultural perspective to invest in a Taiwanese stock.